Guys, I'm just sorry I just started out like sorry about that. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you the squishies I got in the Mystery Squishies bag. I pulled them all out, so don't mind me. So first I got this Hello Kitty, Draculata, fun squishy. It is so beautiful stuff. It is so soft and it smells like it smells like raw, not raw, not cooked donut dough. Here's the tag and the ball chain. Before I get up here. Yeah. Next is this animal bun. Let's just take it out of the thing and see what one we got. A little ducky. So I think. Okay, the next one is this special homemade one. It is special homemade. It's pink stuff filled inside a green balloon. And then I got Try Putty. 3 different colors of a slide, a putty. Then I got this for the Strawberry Angel. So I think then I got this fish slime. I didn't spend a lot of time on these because my food keeps running out. So, came with this little tag, a little fish surprise bubble, where you get to pick. But I picked a surprise one. Here it is. Black fish and this blue clearish slime. Now this is really a slime. And it does take time to get back in the hole. So all the stuff is this blue slime. It's kind of clear with a little fish surprisable belly. This one, it makes your hands wet. So, this Hello Kitty donut. Oh my god. And then here's the tag. and the beautiful ball chain and licensing. Then I got a little animal bun. That's a little duck. Then I got 3 putties called Try Putty. Then I got an angel. Did I already show this angel with that? I did it. Oh, here it is. And then I showed it. So, I got an angel bread that's squishy strawberry, a Hello Kitty jack-o'-lantern donut, a fish tank slime, an animal bun, and try slime. This is Squishies package. Hope you enjoyed this video of this silly Squishies packet. Please click like and subscribe. Sorry if those background noises or me being weird or the beginning of the video. Please click like and subscribe once again. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.